Students, already in the previous video of class 6 I have said that exercise 16 is a huge simplification exercise from where we will only do those which has got bar brackets. Now bar brackets, I have already explained that in simplification we use the rule of Bodmer's, that is brackets of multiplication, division, brackets of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, and we try to solve the sum accordingly. First the brackets, then off part. Off is nothing but multiplication, but here the multiplication sign is not directly given, it is written off in alphabetic letters. Then we solve the division operator, then multiplication, then at the end we solve addition, and last subtraction. Now in brackets I said you have three brackets. What you solve first? The first bracket, then the second is the second bracket, and then you solve the at the end third bracket. Now what is bar bracket? If any line, straight line is drawn on top of the numbers, we call that bar bracket. Now when this bracket is solved, it is solved even before you solve the first brackets. So we will do exercise 16, sum number 7, because this is the first sum having the bar bracket out of the sum starting from 1 in the exercise. So you will write the entire thing very carefully. And you will only stop over here after the division sign, because this part is having the bar bracket which we have to solve first. 2 minus half. So in fraction, how you solve 2 minus half? You take the LCM, whole number, nothing is given means you try to make it a fraction by writing 1 and in the denominator. Now 1 and 2, if you find the LCM of any number and 1, you will always get the number back. So no need to find LCM, you can do it verbally. If you have 1 and any other number, the number part will be the LCM, that is 2. Now you compare the denominators. 1 into how much gives you 2? 1 2s are 2. That 2 you will multiply with the numerator. So 2 into 2 gives you 4, minus here 2 into how much gives you 2? 1. That 1 you will multiply with the numerator over here. So 1 ones are 1. So 4 minus 1 is 3 by 2. So after solving this bar bracket, what you get the answer? It is 3 by 2. So write straight away 3 by 2. We don't need to write the bar bracket because we have already solved whatever is given to solve under the bracket. Next, we will solve the first bracket. So first bracket contains 3 divided by 3 by 2. So all the rest of the numbers, write it out. Now stop here from where the first bracket starts. The first bracket contains 3 divided by 3 by 2. So if you solve it, what you get? 3 into 2 by 3. You know that division sign we change into multiplication, and the next fraction given, it changes to its reciprocal, 2 by 3. 3 and 3 got cancelled. You are left out with only 2 ones are 2. So first bracket if you solve, it is giving the answer 2. We don't put the first bracket here because we have already solved whatever is inside the first bracket. So we only write the answer. So we don't have to put the first bracket anymore. So close it, close the second bracket and the third bracket. Next, we will stop over here because we have to solve the second bracket. So first we have solved bar bracket, then first bracket, then now we have to solve second bracket. What is given over here? 7 minus 2, which is very easy. You know the result is 5. But you don't put any more brackets because already you have solved the second bracket or whatever is inside the second bracket. But you can see that before the start of the bracket, what is the number given? 1 by 8. When you open any bracket and if there is a number given, it is multiplied. So when I open the bracket or when I solve the bracket, what is the result? 5. And before the bracket, what you have? 1 by 8. So 1 by 8, whether you will add or subtract or put division sign with 5, you have to put multiplication sign over here, because before bracket 1 by 8, when you open the bracket, 1 by 8 is multiplied to the result. Now close the third bracket. We have already solved the second bracket, close the third bracket. Now we will solve the third bracket portion. Now inside third bracket you can see there is a minus sign as well as there is a multiplication sign. So which part you will solve first? So we are solving the third bracket first, but then also we have to take care of the Bodmer's rule. It tells in Bodmer's rule we solve multiplication before subtraction. So we have to multiply these two and after that we have to do the subtraction. So 5 minus 2 minus, nothing can be cancelled in the multiplication part. So 5 into 1, 5, divided by the denominator part 8. Now you have to do the subtraction part, because before you solve the subtraction you have to give this bracket, because the third bracket is not entirely solved. Now here nothing is there means 2 by 1. So what will be the, you can solve it elsewhere in the rough portion. I am doing it over here. 2 by 1 minus 5 by 8. So the LCM, what I said, with 1 if you have any other number, the number becomes the LCM. Now you compare. 1 8 is 8. That 8 you multiply with 2 gives you 16. Minus 8 1 is 8. 1 multiply, that 1 you multiply with 5 gives you 5. 16 minus 5 is how much? 11 by 8. So the answer of this subtraction is 11 by 8. So when we have already solved the third bracket, so it will be 11 by 8 and we don't put the bracket any longer. And at the end what do? We solve the last portion, that is 5 minus 11 by 8. Again take 1 over here. So if you take 1, what is the LCM? 8. Now 1 into how much gives you 8? 1 into 8 gives you 8. That 8 you have to multiply with 5. 8 5s are 40. Minus 8 into how much gives this? 1. That 1 you multiply with 11. So it gives you 11. So 40 minus 11 is equal to 29 by 8. Improper fraction, convert that into mixed fraction. So it will be 8 3s are 24, 5 is left. So 3 5 by 8 is the mixed fraction and this is the answer of the simplification. So in this way you have to do the exercise sums, and only those sums where you can see in simplification there is a bar bracket or a straight line at the top of the numbers.